Hi, my name is Jordan Kennedy. This is my introduction video for AEP 800, Utilization of Technology in the Classroom. I am an elementary teacher. I am currently teaching 6th grade. We're an all-inclusive classroom, so I do all of the subjects. This is my first year at 6th grade, but my second year teaching. My first year of teaching was spent in a 4th grade classroom. I currently teach in Frankfort, Kansas. This is where I graduated myself and grew up, but my first year of teaching was spent in Wamego. So I've had a crazy couple first years moving around with different schools and different levels. My school we just actually went one-to-one with Chromebooks. So this actually has been within the past couple of weeks. I just got a Chromebook cart in my classroom. Prior to that, we had one cart K through 6. So we have about 150 kids K6, and we had a cart of about 35 to share among all students. Some of my strengths with technology, I would say my strength would be making sure I'm prepared and I have the procedures in place and I've explained all my expectations to students very well. However, I would say that a weakness would be trying new things and fear of missing out on instructional time. I love trying new things, but sometimes it's hard for me to do that because I don't want to give up any instructional time if I don't need to. So my kids have things that they use as far as technology goes, and they're very versed in those things, but it's pretty rare that we try anything too new just in fear of losing out on that time. We do, however, as far as Google Apps for Education, I use Google Classroom daily. We use Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. Those are all something that all of my students are very versed in, and they do a great job with those. I am so thankful to have all of those tools, and I'm so thankful that my students are competent and comfortable with those because I absolutely love Google Classroom. So thankful for that. I am excited for this course. I am even more excited that it's going to be able to be used and applied directly into my classroom. I look forward to the semester. Thank you.